can't believe it. You just saved that old lady's life.
Amazing.
I guess if I hadn't pushed her out of the way, she would have died.
My name is Professor Xavier, and this is my school. I started it to help people with special talents like yours. Our students here learn to harness their incredible talents and use them to advance the common good. Here we have children who can walk through walls. Some faces may be familiar, like Wolverine. Other mutants you probably didn't know existed, like Sneasel.
Fly. You must stop the hourglass.
I can't.